one for Safka company for Bonaberi today. Will tell you about this Bamon woman we beat Pekin to do it for he Pekin for he brother-in-law state population woman and come on hold it beat and pass mark for that side for Bonaberi. Double country people will tell now for Chang Day. Wait till it happen for Chang Sanjong Andre 54 years old way they be die the killing caught is Dr. Soya for photo they country people them. They can get some like where they call and say for Sanu and they argue say this no be at all they explain all things for this matter for microphone for this medical and say look let's came for Chang Day then we'll go take una go for Buddha over dirty country people them. I will tell you to see this so this chapter for small no comment for him and one announcement country people them will do na Tokyo for say me run come out because he did like say okay. After a big salute, this one a Pigeon TV News, Equinox Television, we did it. So now come good country people, we will start with same story for today, and the same story for today Ibis Weti. Now only Connie Cresman, sabi place where they go. Same story for today. Now only Connie Cresman sabi place where he go. Thank you plenty Edem Emmanuel alias Almighty for place where they call this one for Bona Musa the country people them. This one happen now for industrial zone for Bonaberi for back Nestle today country people them. Wait happen at this sharp monitor fire start the burn for sector for chemical products the way they for that side for Safka company. Safka na the way they make this book them Kaye Safka paper them too they make even this mosquito coil like moon tiger so for that matter too. I say he catch with the born pass mark, born shooting as a pep pompe them for Ngoji they go help the one there for Commandant Kemba for Bonaberi for quench the fire even soon after say bad the whole that quarter for catch fire born for this country people them. Chapter for this they even sequestrate on journalists. Yes, reporter for DBS we go there for shoot image the whole ISIS camera and then keep it for there for long. So they can reach now. They be killed Sanjong Andre, 54 years old. They caught a doctor, so you have to be bad to take the whole population there say they contribute nation. They talk about people they go there. Procureur come for Chango Day too. Local attack him they be go there. God man to take Dr. Soya, they caught butcher and all, to take even the vein. Sleep long. Wonderful palaver for people they go look up. Now for photo. Photo now for Chang Day country people them. Hey, say the matter. So they catch 3 suspects them. They catch 3 people them. When they take and go for day. He said the matter now. One the green say yes, true. AB accept now. AB they said the palaver. But the other one now they still question them. For this palaver so I get to talk about them for this issue there. So you see, so they will take the one now. Say who's blood come off your answer thing. As make us they catch it. They go with that for this country people them. As this situation can happen now. For that say for Chang Day. Then this other person will call and say so where they call for this chapter see that for Sanu they ask say what really happened. They be take you say na palabra rough cat go to. What happen if na you or they be confused na confusion de cible. For Sanu talk.
They call me for phone all side all over. Say I don't keep person. I there for prison. I there for this. Well, I never first go me for prison. I never go for prison. And they not be put me for prison. They not be put me for sale. I never make 10 minutes for day. I go ask procurator say where chief. Even me, I there for years old. The doctor say he don't give you 10 million. I go see commissioner. Commissioner say where. Even me, they don't accuse me. Say I don't give 10 million. I don't give you 10 million. Where I never give them even $1. Did they make na zanket? Did they make na zanket? Did they make na zanket? Tell them they make that zanket. No, they say they don't give them some money. They never give them no nothing.
Well, we are all tomorrow morning country people them from Bunda. They say only one place clean from Bunda. That place put signboard say bienvenue à Buddha. Welcome to Buddha. Now only the place are clean. Apart from that one, Buddha and dirty pass mark. I like Buddha people them. I like Buddha people them. But I say Buddha town. Now it is. There it is. Bienvenue à Buddha. That's the only place I clean. Apart from that one, look, God will take for Buddha. Dirty pass mark, red ground, poto. Look, market for Buddha. Dirty pass mark, outing, poto. Service social for Bunda. Look at, I say, prefecture from Bunda, dirty. Sous-prefecture from Bunda, safe, dirty. I say, what I say, road for interquarter, look at, mommy go jump, chook. Mommy the jump. Better no day. Dirty the outside, except how sous-prefect make tourner, and dirty the clap for you if people no come. Other format as we get us to talk about inside this issue then. Gaka chapter there. Gaka issue, Palava will happen there. Thank you for saving me. So I talk about and now we'll come back to talk about this issue to country people then. We'll come back from Dobode. See how a woman they beat woman, they remove woman inside house, condemn woman. Justice for woman, them country people there. Vous n'assiez pas ça.
Tu es la femme, c'est venez sauver la femme n'arrive même pas à marcher. La femme n'a frappé avec un gros bateau pour tuer les enfants là. C'est ça que la femme a fait chaque jour de la vie. C'est comme ça qu'elle tape la femme. On est fatigué aujourd'hui. Il faut qu'elle quitte. Allez, va la filmer. Elle est sortie. On l'a elle te cache. Si tu m'as fait ce que tu veux.
Ugo Kumba. I promise her for now. And I know say so age concern Kumba. I don't feel the work with Matilda Kemazu from Mabanda Kumba where you know sure. And it's sure mo. But not even I know waiting for 3 corners. Say this so Matilda and I need to go try we for that side. Right? After all, it's another one, na number. They call it a number. Mimi number. For Kumba then na Maurice. Maurice is 32 years old. His name is Tangi Maurice. Papa for 4 picking them, 3 boys, 1 girl. A woman go for therapy in a village to come back and go for state school. But until they enter Kili. How they kill himself? Because one go help neighbor. Now it is Unasian. I say contribute look at Maurice Masamo. But until they enter house around 4:30 or more enter yesterday. You know here, the thief calculation they want come thief money, thief all thing with telephone. As they come out, they enter for neighbor house too. Enter neighbor house now, neighbor start to fight with them. How neighbor fight with them? Neighbor shout, Maurice come out. Tangi Maurice, Mr. Maurice, he come out. As he come out now, what happen for you contribute them. So. But until they knock cutlass for your neck. They knock cutlass for your neck. Maurice die, quarter die, one of footing. Then people don't come as a procurator come, senior divisional officer come, commander and commissioner then come there. Then they bring people from hospital, they can't tell what take them. The very day yesterday, so you see, now one of them is they don't catch them. You see, they catch one, beat them, so they catch the other one to again, beat them. They catch 2 of the people the way that they go kill and sell and that the guy in that. That the guy in now don't catch them, beat them for this to so police don't take the knife for them. And for one person make it tell you, wait till really happen for K-Town, eh? Talk to you, talk for Ogalai, make we hear. Una hear.
I don't know what you want to don't come for take and you jump for follow. What is as you don't hear such a man, you jump for upset, for follow the Timan. Nay, when you go to so I don't wait them, I know say I take lamps and more work at Fana. You don't follow Timan, go now, we say. I join this for who I see, you just sleep so we don't do that. Maybe say I know time when the key. I don't only say I see you jump for bed. When they don't have I say to money, you jump. Me too, I jump my own for bed. I won't take so. Where you don't take so, I don't know. I say I turn back, I will go so they will not see nothing man. I turn back for us, I don't see him. I say, you don't jump follow to money, go with say. I pull lamp. I go reach for there, I see I sleep for them so. I don't see no man for a corner.
So now here what happen now for them could take this announcement country people them the photo for the bikini come up now. I don't to be the announcement be it can be for this chapter for this level say country people them the announcement where it they come after the research for the country people now. Yes, monsieur Ndezong Njoyo Jean-Bernard et madame Peou Anya Monique annoncent la disparition de leur beau-fils, le nommé Fongang Dylan, âgé de 11 ans. Il serait parti domicile familial 6 à Bornendale, Ndobo, depuis lundi 9 septembre aux environs de 15 heures. Au moment de sa disparition, il était vêtu d'une chemise en tissu pagne et d'une culotte beige. Il est élève au groupe scolaire bilingue Bonchuo. Il s'exprime en français et en Bouddha. Monsieur Ndezong et Madame Peou prient toute personne qui retrouverait ou hébergerait le petit Fongang Dylan de bien vouloir les joindre au 79 99 06 85 ou au 78 04 24 94 ou bien le conduire à Equinox Télévision contre très forte récompense. So that's all the end of today country people them will meet up again tomorrow for better tori if na see my back. Matilda Kemazua, thank you plenty, thank you. Ilosa Bega doctor. Number will come so even virus de virusel. Number will come na number one na the call for the all time so I'm send intervention rapid for na so country people anyhow it day. But thank you plenty, bye bye.